YouTubers, hi, how are you? This is Hussam Aish again with another sale with Mr. Son, what was your name?
Bryan.
Bryan, Mr. I love this name. Mr. Bryan is buying a stainless steel fridge. Guess what? It's really, maybe, just a little cleaning, but it works. It's plugged in. It's I give you 30 days. Any problem, you know what to do. First of all, you have the big receipt on YouTube. You can catch me anytime. If you have any problem, just bring it back. I'll give you another one. As you see, I have so many. If you like it, just give me the 5 stars on Facebook. It helps a lot.
Okay.
Are you sure it's that one or that one?
No, this one. Yeah, this one. I think.
They both look similar.
Yeah, no, this one is shorter. It's the same company, but yeah. Did you see this?
I did. Yeah.
Hey, YouTubers, did you see this? Okay, and here is. Oh, sorry. Okay, and because I need this for the next sale. Okay, when you get over there, do not plug it. Are you good with it?
So, Bryan.
Maybe there is in Lowe's the stainless steel thing spray.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to buy one because some of them, or if it is humid, you will see like your fingerprints all over.
Right.
But because it's still cold, so yeah, you need to get that spray thing.
Right. Okay.
And I'm gonna unplug it. When you go there, Bryan, do not give it like 30 minutes to one hour before you plug it again, because you want the rayon to settle down in the compartment.
Compressor.
I'm gonna tape the cable here in the back. Okay. This one. Here's two. Okay, here's two. One more old heart. And one heart like that.
Oh, it is a little damaged on the side.
Is there? Is it going like in a kitchen?
No, it's gonna be like kind of.
Showroom?
Yeah, it'll be a little bit open to the sides. Yeah.
Which side? This side?
Well,
check the other one.
Kind of both.
Check here. It's understood. I mean, check this one. I have this. And I have this. There is a minor here in the side. Oh, you want the right hand?
Yeah, I don't know that matters too much.
Oh, okay. Up to you. Decision time. I got 4 to choose from. Just tell me which one.
Yeah, I guess I'll take this one.
Yes, sir. Okay, let's do it. Okay. What we want to do? Maybe. Okay. All right. Are you sure? Last call.
I think so. Yeah.
Okay. Let's. Yeah. Okay. I need you to open your.
I got a dolly.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Like that. That's it. That's it. I need your dolly, please.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah. Take your time. Take your time.
Yeah. Oh, was he talking about this?
Mm-hmm.
Well.
I think I can just strap it from the back too, huh?
Yeah, strap it and pull it backward, right? It's like this, okay. Yes. So let's do it from this side because the door is okay. Okay. From the back. They don't. Why from the back? No, they don't recommend from the back because all the
components.
yes in the back. So this side because the door opens this way. So when you lift it this way, it doesn't open like this. If you do it from the other side. So yeah, let me remove this, please. Okay. Deal. No problem. Okay. Meet me.
Here, let me
Yes,
yes. Let's push it a little bit and we'll just strap it back. Maybe I can strap it in there. Then it'll be
Okay.
all
Yes.
in. Because I got a tarp and everything. I'll throw it over it.
Okay.
Let me throw you.
Yes,
And then
yes.
we can just then you can turn back.
Yeah. Thank you, man. And the easy part of it.
Isn't it
What do you
400?
do, Brian? Oh, sorry.
There we go.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
What do you do? What kind of business? do you
I'm
have?
just a dad, just a stay.
Oh, Dad. Okay,
Yeah.
I don't blame you. Anyway, how did you hear about me?
On the Facebook.
Facebook. All right, so it works. Thank you. Anyway, thank you, sir, very much for
No problem. Thank you.
being customer. Thank you guys for watching. Wait me for another episode. Thank you. Bye bye.